On screen, how to send view once on Instagram. Narrator, in 60 seconds, learn how to send a view once photo or video in Instagram DMs. On-screen caption, Step 1, open Instagram. Narrator, Step 1, open Instagram and make sure you're logged in. On-screen caption, go to messages. Narrator, tap the messages icon in the top right to open your DMs. On-screen caption, choose a chat. Narrator, select the chat where you want to send your view once photo or video. On-screen caption, or start a new one. Narrator, or tap the new message icon to start a new conversation. On-screen caption, open the chat. Narrator, once your chat is open, you're ready to capture your view once content. On-screen caption, Step 2, open the camera. Narrator, in the chat, tap the camera icon next to the message box. On-screen caption, take a photo or video. Narrator, now, capture a new photo or hold the shutter to record a video. On-screen caption, Step 3, set to view once. Narrator, at the bottom, swipe to or tap the view once option. On-screen caption, check it says view once. Narrator, make sure you see view once highlighted before sending. On-screen caption, Step 4, tap send. Narrator, tap the send button to send your view once photo or video. On-screen caption, done. Narrator, your media will disappear after they open it once. That's how to send view once on Instagram.